Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you my 2 completed projects and 1 work in progress. The first one is a gorgeous coconut drink from Make Market in the size of 11 by 14 inches. It's a pretty small kit. It came with 33 colors. All of them are acrylic drills, not resin. And there were 3 or 4 colors that have a very different structure from other drills. I have never worked with such drills before. They're like jelly drills, really very nice. You can see them on the water, and the texture is perfect to show the illusion of water because they have an impression of being wet or something like that. That is why when you look at the final result, they look fantastic when it comes to color blending and showing the texture of the water. It looks perfect and flawless, like a photograph. It doesn't even look like a diamond painting. So the water is rendered just flawlessly. Look at that. These drills are perfect for showing the water effect. Gorgeous. As to the rest, I replaced actually only 1 color here. I replaced these white acrylic drills with white ABs from diamond dots, and to tell you the truth, I was not planning on diamond painting the petals on the flower. I was going to diamond paint it only over here. I'm not sure what it is, a table or whatever it is. Just to show the illusion of, I don't know, maybe water drops and sun shining on them. But then I forgot and I started diamond painting the petals. I wanted to leave the petals the way they were supposed to be originally, with acrylic white drills, with white acrylic drills. But since I forgot, I diamond painted these 2 petals. I took out the ABs from this petal, and then I just didn't really want to do it over here. It was just way time consuming, and I just decided to leave it the way it is. But I still like the way it turned out. I think that the rendering is gorgeous and the color blending is fantastic and super realistic, especially when it comes to the water. And I also like how the pineapple is rendered. It looks also very natural. Now, this kit comes with the magnetic frames, so this way you don't really have to worry about purchasing the frame and putting it behind the glass. And it was pretty cheap, around $7. It is Make Market Spring collection, Spring series, as far as I understand. That's how it looks horizontally on the desk, on the table. That's how it looks hanging. I hang it on the door. I mean, I'm so impressed with the water. It's fantastic. And look, even the shadow from the pineapple, do you see it over here? I really like how Make Market renders their kits and combines the colors. I have never seen a pixelated kit from them, never. And this kit is a pretty small size. It's 11 by 14 inches. It's not the same design, but they're all of the same size. Make Market is perfect in selecting the right number of details for the kit, not to look pixelated. But again, their color blending when it comes to the water is just mesmerizing. Now, the second project that I wanted to show you is this mandala, or mandala. I always confuse the what syllable is stressed in this word. In any case, I purchased it from Temu a few months ago. It was pretty cheap, around $4 or $5, maybe $3. I do not remember. This is like a break snack kit. You know, I finished 6 pages of black and white pattern in my beaded cross stitch kit. As you can see, I bead stitched it on the blank canvas from scratch, and in between me bead stitching, I like to take a break and diamond paint. So I actually rotate bead stitching and diamond painting. This kit contains 8 black and white patterns, like pages, right, of black and white pattern. And I already completed 6. I have 2 more to go, so I wanted to have some rest from bead stitching. That is why I started diamond painting this kit. But once I finished it and I diamond painted in a few days, I didn't feel fully rested from beaded cross stitch kit, so I also decided to diamond paint this very kit. I finished it in a few hours, like maybe it took me 2 or 3 hours to complete it. This kit came with 13 colors, and these were crystal drills and special shape drills. I didn't really replace any drills here except of one color. There was supposed to be a very weird looking crystal drills, crystal color, but I replaced it with gold one, metallic gold one from Diamond Dots. I really like how it turned out. The sparkles amazing, and I think it would be a really very nice gift for somebody, especially if I manage to frame it in an interesting way. If I, for example, find the round frame and frame it behind the glass over there, I think it would look fantastic, and it would be a really very nice gift. And this is the project that I started working on. This kit is from Hobby Lobby. This is their own brand, Studio Delight, as far as I remember. I really liked this very design, so I decided to purchase it. It is a standard size, my favorite size, 16 by 20 inches, so I already have a frame for it. It comes with, I also think, 33 colors with acrylic drills, but I did replace a lot of colors there. Here I used jelly drills, if you can see it over here from my pineapple or whatever, pina colada drink. I don't remember the exact name. I also added a few AB drills here from Diamond Dots, a few crystal drills, but I will elaborate on all the customization that I did, on all the enhancements once I diamond painted. But I can tell you that it is pretty time consuming. I was diamond painting today and I did it for a few hours, but I managed to diamond paint only this small area because this kit contains a lot of confetti, at least on the bottom. Not sure what's going to be later on when I go a little bit up, but yeah. And just to show you how realistically Make Market managed to render the water, I recorded a very short video when I was at the swimming pool, so just compare this water with the one that I have in the swimming pool. I think they look very similar. Bravo, Make Market. Just look at the water at the pool. Absolutely the same color blending. Gorgeous. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon.